Today we're making this delicious, quick and easy, creamy chicken spaghetti. Let's get into the recipe. Alright, let's start by marinating our chicken. I have some chicken thighs here already washed. I'll be using garlic and onion powder, paprika, some seasoned salt, chicken bouillon, black pepper, complete seasoning, and I had to sneak some green seasoning in there. So we're going to mix well to combine and set aside to marinate for about an hour. Here to a preheated skillet, I will now cook my chicken thighs. We'll cook them for about 5 minutes per side until they're thoroughly cooked all the way through. Once that is going, we'll go ahead and cook our spaghetti. So here to some boiling water, I will add my spaghetti. I didn't add the entire box. I add most of it, but I left some of it back. And yeah, once your chicken thighs are brown on one side, give it a flip, let it brown and cook all the way through on the other side. Once it's done, remove, set aside, and let's proceed to the next step. To the same pot, I will add a little butter and then in with some onions and garlic. Give that a good mix. Allow it to go for about 2 minutes and then in with some flour. Let that go for about a minute or two as well. And then we'll come in with some chicken broth. Allow that to thicken just a little bit and then in with some heavy whipping cream. Once the cream is added, allow it to come up to a simmer before we add some cheese. Today I'm using Parmesan cheese and I will add that in and then in with some seasoning for flavor and taste. Remember to taste and adjust the seasoning to suit your own preference. I like to heavily season the sauce because I didn't season the noodles. And then here I will add some crushed tomatoes or diced tomatoes. And yeah, basically done. We are going to add our noodles in there, then follow up with our chicken and some fresh parsley. And we can get ready to plate this up and enjoy. Such a quick and easy dish. And this is chef kiss delicious. You guys have to try it. Here you have it, my version of creamy chicken spaghetti. I did serve it with some garlic bread and a salad on the side, but I did not show the salad. Give the recipe a try like I said, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.